Good afternoon po. Ngayon po ay December 24, 2025, Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong December 24, 2025, Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Wednesday, December 24, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for December 24, 2025, Wednesday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Wednesday, December 24, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of December 24, 2025, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.